All right, Ocean Squad, I'm about to get a haircut. Let me take these glasses off so that I can see my face actually. Look, I'm woofing right now. I'm gonna take this compression cap off. This is one of my new compression caps. Make sure y'all get this one on the website. Take a look at the waves. They kind of look dry right now. I don't got no products in, Ocean Squad. I know that's a no-no, but look, y'all, I'm not tripping when I'm woofing right now. I'm on a new level as far as like, I like to look good, but sometimes I don't care how I look. Like, let me rephrase that. I do care how I look, but I don't have to look pretty. You know what I'm saying? I went to Mexico, y'all. I went without a haircut. That's because my barber was booked up for that weekend. But beyond that, like, I'm at the point where like when I'm woofing like this, and the woof get out of control, I'm just gonna have to deal with it, y'all. I like to look good, but I'm not a pretty man. You feel me? So I got the scruffle right here. It's all about to get cleaned up. I've been woofing for about 8 weeks. It's been a long time. That's about 2 months right there, Ocean Squad. But I believe when I get this cut, the waves are going to be swimming. We're gonna find out, y'all. You already know it's already up in the air. If you woof and you don't brush your hair and your woof isn't maintained, when you get your haircut, it can go good or it can go bad. I'm optimistic about this cut. I think it's gonna go good. We're gonna see how the waves look. Take a real quick close look on this side. This is my good side right here. This side look real good. But if I take y'all around on this other side, this side always over curl and it don't show that well. So we're gonna find out. The back, that's a whole nother story, y'all. I gotta brush more. But beyond that, when I get the cut, it's gonna show my true progress. And that's the thing y'all gotta keep in mind. Your true progress is shown once you get that haircut. So we about to go in the barbershop, get the fresh cut, line up with the taper, cut down to like, see, this is what y'all wonder all the time. Do I get the 1 or the 1.5? Now, it depends how I feel. Now, I have not been brushing like that. This woof is not contained. So let me think what I'm gonna get. I'm gonna get the 1.5. Because if I get the 1, it might be a little bit too, actually, it wavers, y'all, it wavers. So I get the 1.5 and it could be good, or I get the 1 and it could be good. I'm gonna go with the 1.5, y'all, just to be safe, all right? Because if I cut it too low and the waves ain't good, you never know, all right? So we're gonna do this, y'all, all right? We're in the intermission right now. I've seen a little bit of the footage. The waves were underneath the woof. It's looking good. So we're gonna see how the final cut looks. Crispy. Cool. After 2 months of not having a haircut. All right, so I just got the haircut. I should have grabbed a hand mirror, but I'll be all right. Y'all be able to see. This side looks good. I would say overall the haircut came out. The haircut always come out excellent with my barber, but the overall wave progress, I'm gonna give that about an 8.9. You know, I'm giving myself some extra points. The haircut always a 10. All right, most of the time, 99% of the time. This side though, that's why I gave my wave progress 8.9. This side, that tends to happen. I got the 1.5. I haven't looked at the back yet. What the back look like? What the back look like, Malia?
It look cool.
All right, the back supposedly look cool, but I know the right side is lackadaisical. All right, so I'm gonna be putting in some brush work with that. But beyond that, I'm gonna put some of this pomade in right now. Take a look at that. Back in stock on the website now. And after that, you know, I'm just gonna go through the regular week and just do normal stuff, y'all. I'm gonna put some of this in and just keep it normal. I'm just gonna go throughout the day. I'm gonna keep brushing, but the moral of this video is like, all right, I know from my videos I make it seem like it's really serious, and it is serious when you want to get that progress. But at this point, when I'm woofing, I'm not really like brushing to the point where my woof is contained. And I want to let y'all know you can still maintain your 360 waves when you're not maintaining your woof, all right? Because the wave progress get trapped underneath the woof, and that's what I'm experiencing right now. So like I'm brushing when my hair is like this, cut low. I'm brushing up to the point where it's like 4 weeks, and then past 4 weeks, if I'm not getting a haircut, the woof is out of control, y'all. And I'm really saying this for my beginners. My advanced Ocean Squad members, the elite wavers who've been waving for a long time already know this, all right? And if you don't know, then I'm helping you like just put this into perspective. But that's all I really want to say for this video right here. The cut still came out clean. My waves are still in there even after the over curl of that woof, and it's been happening like that pretty often. But yeah, y'all, you know what I'm saying? Just keep the brush handy, and if you over woof, don't stress yourself out.